Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest must-have items for your home. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best non-stick cookware set induction compatible, the Bargain Factory 8-piece non-stick pots and pans set in elegant marble gray. Let's start with the design. Right out of the box, this cookware set stands out. The speckled marble gray finish paired with wood-look handles gives off a modern, high-end feel. Whether you're furnishing a new kitchen or just want a visual upgrade, this set will not only perform, but look fantastic sitting on your stovetop. Now let's break down what you actually get in this 8-piece set. You have a solid mix of essential cookware, frying pans, saucepans, and a stockpot, all equipped with transparent glass lids. These pieces cover all your everyday cooking needs, whether you're preparing quick scrambled eggs or simmering a family-sized curry. What makes this cookware shine is the non-stick coating. The marble effect interior is designed to be scratch-resistant and stain-resistant, making it ideal for busy kitchens. The base is induction compatible, which means it works seamlessly on all hob types: gas, electric, ceramic, and of course, induction. It's built to distribute heat evenly, reducing hot spots that can burn your food. So, no matter what you're cooking, it cooks evenly, and it cooks well. Comfort is also a big win with this set. The wooden look handles stay cool to the touch, providing a secure grip while you're flipping, sautéing, or stirring. The glass lids help lock in flavor while letting you keep an eye on your dish without lifting the lid and releasing heat. The entire set is dishwasher safe and also oven safe, giving you flexibility across different recipes and cooking styles. It's also PFOA and lead-free, so it's safe for you and your family. With a manufacturer like Bargain Factory behind it, you're getting thoughtful design and dependable performance all in one package. It's a cookware set made for modern living, stylish, functional, and built to last. So if you're searching for an affordable upgrade to your current kitchen setup, or looking for the perfect gift for someone moving into a new home, the Bargain Factory 8-piece cookware set is a strong contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on top-rated home products. See you in the next review.